everyone, it's Abby. Today we will learn the blue color.
Hey, I'm so happy to be here. Hello, Abby. Where are you?
Hello, companion.
Take a look at me. I'm feeling a bit colorless. Could you add some blue?
Sure.
Wonderful. I'm blue. Thanks, Abby. Now let's color our friends. Hi, Balloon. You're going to be blue, just like me. Hello, Blueberry. Time to become blue like me. Blueberries are good for the eyes. Hello, Whale! It's your turn to be blue too, just like us. Whales are magnificent creatures of the deep.
Well, my friends, today we delved into the soothing world of blue. Stay tuned! In the next video, we will learn about the purple color.